3 and 4. Okay, so in chapter number 5, we have multi-process operating system. Multi-process operating system, as you all know, what is multi-process? The process in which multiple operating systems are running is known as multi-process operating system. Okay, so the definition is like which contain more than one process and share their other resources, then it is known as multi-process operating system. These type of system are very useful for engineering, scientific application, because in processing data parallel on multiple processes. Because like multi-process operating system, you can run multiple operating system at the same time, yani in parallel. So for engineering and scientific application, because they have very large job, large program to run, so it is easy. We will use multi-process operating system in engineering and scientific application. So it will be useful for them. Okay, so this is the definition. This is the definition, and this is the example where it will be used. This, unlike distributed system yani which we discuss in chapter number 1 and 2, distributed system, the multi-process operating system are tightly coupled. Tightly coupled meaning is they are joined together, that share a common physical memory, yani they all will share a common physical memory. In distributed system, what will happen in distributed system, maybe they are yani heterogeneous or homogeneous. Mungkin different systems, mungkin same systems, same yani same operating system, same hardware. All the process operate under the control of single operating system. Yani in multi-process operating system, they all are operating under the control of Wahid operating system. Okay, so again here in multi-process operating systems, they share common physical memory and they are operating under the control of Wahid operating system. Okay. Now we will go for structure of multi-process operating system. There are different structures of multi-process operating system. Like for example, how the memory and operating systems are divided. Okay, and for example, how they will share, how they will access the interrupt. So we have different structure of multi-process operating system. In exam also the question come uktub the different structure of multi-process operating system. So this is number 1. Okay, number 2 is master slave. Number 3 is symmetric. So these are the 3 types of structure of multi-process operating system. Now here you can see, as compared to multi-process operating system have more challenges. Because challenges, why challenges? Because here he has to control all computers which are running under its control. So that's why it is more challenging, because one CPU or one operating system or one processor has to control kullu bagi bagi process. So that's why it is difficult for them to control. So that's why it is challenging. Next, the multi-process operating system are more complex than single process operating system. Why? Because same like here, it has to control other processors. Now number one structure, number 1 is separate separate kernel configuration. What is separate kernel configuration? Separate yani मुख्तलिफ, different. So here memory, input output device, everything different. Yani every process has its own operating system, its own input output device. Okay, same here. Each process has its own input output device and file system. Okay, and they are MAFI dependent among each other. So each process has its own memory, has its own input output device, and has its own operating system, and he is not dependent on any other process. Okay, now this is important point. A process is started on a process, run to completion on that process only. For example, there is program 1.1, and this program 1.1 you can run on computer, let's say Khamsa. So this 1.1 you will run yani finish on computer talata, yani mafi like this, like awal it will run on, for example, p wahid point wahid will run on awal program khamsa, baden run on talata, baden run on itnen, like this mafi happen. The program which is running on any processor will run on that processor only. This is the diagram. Okay, so you will in exam you will look up the diagram and this is the definition. Okay, mumkin nus marks question from here or mumkin talata marks question, yani explain separate this one. Explain separate kernel configuration with the help of diagram. Okay, so this is the separate kernel configuration. Now we will go for the next one. Next one is symmetric. Next one is, oh sorry, next one is master slave configuration. Next one is master slave configuration. So in this, as you can see the ism, in the ism master, yani in the diagram, Wahid is the master and Kullu Bagi are the slave. Okay. So what will happen? In a mumkin question, what master will do? Master will number one, number one Number one, it perform interrupt handling. This is number one. Number two, resource allocation. Number three, input output management. So these are the talata. Number two, number three. Okay. So yani the master will do interrupt handling. Master will do resource allocation. Master will do input output management. The meaning is like if at any time the interrupt dakil, yani at any time any process do interrupt, so that will be handled by the master. Number two, resource allocation. For example, a new process dakil or a process want to access resource, so these resource allocation will be done by master. Next is input output management. So this input, let for example the process need to give the output or we have to give input to the processor. So these thing is done by master in master slave configuration. Okay, you can see the diagram. This is the diagram. This is the diagram of master slave configuration. See, this is the master. Wahid is the master. Kullu Bagi are the slave. Okay, here operating system मौजूद in master, but in slave Mafi operating system. Okay, so master, what master will do? Master has arba. Oh, sorry, master has talata function. Number one, interrupt handling. I will write here. Number one, INTRRU, interrupt handling. Number two, resource allocation. Okay, the resource allocation. Number three, what will happen? Input output management. Input output management. Okay, so these three things has been done by the master process. Okay, next configuration is symmetric configuration. Symmetric yani meaning is SAM, same configuration. Okay, so in master slave configuration, there was a asymmetry, and in Gadim, and in master slave, what is the problem is master process has central control. See in this diagram, master is controlling everything. Okay, and the Kullu slave has to follow the orders of the master. So this is the problem in this diagram. Now they have designed a Jadid configuration. The name is symmetric configuration, in which there is Mafi master. See, they have designed a new symmetric multi-process configuration in which there is Mafi master. Kullu process will act independently. Shufina in operating system, all process has their own operating system. Here see, in Gadim operating system मौजूद only with master node, but here in slave Mafi operating system. But you can see here, see process 1, process 2, process 3 operating system मौजूद. Okay, and also here no master. Okay, now the definition is any process can access any device and can handle any interrupt generated on it. Yani all process will access any device and they will handle the interrupt. Okay, so this is known as symmetric multi-process configuration. So you will look up the diagram and look up the definition. Okay, so this is symmetric master slave. So mumkin in exam question, explain the structure with this. Explain this mumkin 5 marks question. So if 5 marks question, awal you will look to Wahid is separate kernel configuration. Separate kernel configuration yani in which process मौजूद, kullu process having own operating system, own input output device, everything different. Okay, and also a process started on the process run to completion on that only. And if any program is running on any process, he will complete on that process only. Next one, master slave configuration. Master slave configuration yani in this diagram, oh sorry, in this configuration only Wahid master, Kullu Bagi are the slave. Wahid master yani operating system मौजूद with master. Kullu Bagi Mafi operating system. But here the master will do talata function. Number one, interrupt handling. Number two, resource allocation. Number three, input output management. Okay, but the problem in this is master is controlling everything and slave has to follow the order. So that's why design number talata is symmetric configuration. So they designed the symmetric configuration in that there is Mafi master, Kullu process same. Okay, and also Kullu process having the operating system, but here they are using the same operating system copy. Like in JAMA, you lab computer, they are all sharing one operating system, shared operating system. Okay, so this is the